Alright, I guess it's time to color
Where's the red marker? Thomas, did you eat the red marker?
Treats? You guys want your treats? Here comes Ziggy. No! Oh my god!
Can I see your teeth?
Do it. Look at that one. It's so sweet. Look at that one. Just look at that one.
You should buy them for Grandma Charlie.
This cat is literally snoring. Are you concussed?
Ah, shit. Got flour on my cap.
Gato volador. ¡Ah! Come here. Oh, it's a plastic bag. Wow. Oh. Listen, I can't give any more information. But I fear I may have girl bossed a bit too close to the sun.
On these Italian delicatesses. Best sandwiches in the world, Django. Oh, you are full of shit.
Oh!
Mimi!
Damn, babe. Oh.
The disappointment when I laugh instead of pet her.
Want potato salad? That's good potato salad. It's good potato salad.
Oh my god. Get.
Oh no. Oh dear. Ah!
Don't be filming me, brother. You got your rapist, homo thug, black balls over there. What the hell are you talking?
Филя. Филя. Он как Гитлер, блядь.
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back, I said!
What are you doing?
I'll call you back.
Alright.
Bye.
That bitch ain't calling back before.
Good girl. Oh, oops.
Haven't seen my cat in a month and she does this, bro.
Yep.
Jack! You little sausage!
What are you looking at? If it's something freaky. Oh!
Hi. Hamilton. Marley does not want to play with you. Can you please leave her alone?
I got your belly. I got you.
Car Weezer on to the max. Part 1. Croissant on. Wait, what happened? You're okay? Oh no.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like. Hey, this man just. I don't want to do this no more.
It's okay.
Why is it spicy?
Today I learned Mina doesn't like strawberries.
책당 교체 싫다.
You're done. You're done.
Shut up.
Shut up. Stop. Just talk on the phone. Jeez.
Head empty. No think. Elevator music behind eyes.
I don't want to declutter because I feel like that's cruel, but and then I get scared that she's gonna herself because that's not safe.
He hates my lemon grab voice.
Well, if it isn't Leo the cat. What's the matter, Leo? Do you not like my voice? Was it something I said?
No.
Rachel.
What?
Jordy is starving, bro.
There's food everywhere.
Nah, bro, she needs you to fluff it.
I'm not
this, she needs to quit being bougie.
What you doing over there?
I have been chosen.
Katie, you're gonna love this. Goodness. Oh.
Guys, they came and they took his head and his limbs.
Why don't you just let the cat out of the bag already? That's pretty f***ed up, bro. Who does this to cats?
He's dirty.
Doesn't mean you have to bag them and get rid of them.
Сейчас все в порядке.
Nice bedhead. Still handsome.
Hey, Mama.
Here comes the bastard, motherfucker.
So good and tasty?
Why my cat Kinda sound like Markiplier?
Hello, everybody.
You're done. You're done.
You are healed. I have healed you.
You're done. You're done.
Hostia, me has mordido la teta.
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
Stop drinking. You're gonna drink us out of house and home.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Oh.
He lives a life of peace that I could destroy at any moment. But I won't.
My parents forgot to let Nugget in the house.
Let me in, please.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
Cause I don't care.
Yeah, immediately
when I'm
no.
with my-
Immediately
Well,
no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
What? What do y'all want? What?
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.